might not realize that LinkedIn actually has a tag, just like the Facebook pixel.
Yeah.
And it does the same job as the Facebook pixel. So you install it into the header and the body, and it enables conversion tracking. And so you can track when people go to a thank you page, and it'll count as a conversion in your LinkedIn account. But it also enables you to target audiences such as your website visitors.
Yeah.
And it feeds data back into LinkedIn about like who is your audience in any case, and who should I be targeting, and it just kind of feeds data back based on who's visiting your website. So it isn't historical. So if you install it today, you can't go back and say, okay, I want to target my website visitors from the last 6 months. There's not going to be any audience there. So I would encourage, install it today, and then when you think about your LinkedIn campaigns in 3 to 6 months time, you then have an audience sitting there waiting for you.
Amazing. Yeah.